Good morning and welcome to Way Back Wednesday at the Pool Room. My name is Dale, and in this video you'll not only get a toy review, but you'll get to learn a little bit about the dinosaur itself. Each of my dinosaur videos are set out this way, so don't forget to check out my Dale's Dinosaur playlist so that you can see all the videos that I've uploaded so far. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and so you don't miss out on any of my toy content that I will upload each week. Today we are talking about the Mattel Jurassic World Chaos Theory Danger Pack Lophostropheus. The figure comes on this simple card back with the blister stand, and with all the danger packs, the figure is easily accessible for those people who actually want to keep them on the card. The back of the card has the wave that this figure comes with, and also some information about the scan tag. But as you know, I like my toys displayed loose, so let's rip her open. Being a danger pack dinosaur, we get the articulation but no real play feature and no sound chip. The sculpt is always beautiful. Lophostropheus is a very early dinosaur, so I've noticed that the sculptors at Mattel have kept a fine scaled, almost leathery skin on the figure, and I really like these neck folds leading up to the single crest. A little bit more about that later. With all these Chaos Theory dinosaurs, Lophostropheus has these little cuts and scrapes here that are actually sculpted into the body. Let's have a look to see what they are on this side. Here we just see a few little ones on the legs, not too many on Lophostropheus. Oh, there's a nice big one on the back, which brings me to the scan tag. Scan tag is just above the hip, and I'll just lift it up there for those of you who would like to scan it straight off the video. The paint apps are simple but effective. The figure is cast in this brown plastic with a painted underside here. It is cast in a tan colour to match the underside paint there, and there's also these lovely green details on the crest and around the eye, and of course this vivid red eye, which I think is a lovely contrast for the dinosaur. The toenails and claws are unpainted, as with pretty much nearly all the main line from Mattel. Now, a little bit about Lophostropheus. Lophostropheus is a theropod coelophysid. It hails from the late Triassic to early Jurassic, which was between 205 and 196 million years ago, which means it's a very early dinosaur. And actually they think that it may have survived the Triassic-Jurassic extinction. It was discovered in what is now known as Normandy, France in 1959. Lophostropheus was first described in 1966, so a few years after it was discovered, and it was first described as a coelophysid, as I said before. It was quite small, had long arms, and it ran on its hind legs. It was estimated to be around about 3 meters long and weighed 100 kilos. I should have brought a figure with me when I was doing this review, but I forgot to grab one out. But I reckon it actually measures up as quite true to scale, which is pretty cool for a toy. It has this singular crest, which was actually assumed as no skull was found, so it had to have been assumed from the neck vertebrae. And the paleontologist is quite confident that the specific neck vertebrae that they found actually led to this particular head crest or this style of head crest. The fossil bones that have been found are parts of the pelvis, a tooth, a single tooth, 35 vertebrae, which of 7 are actual neck vertebrae. There were, however, some coprolites also found with fish scales and teeth in it. So we can safely guess that Lophostropheus actually ate fish. Which was pretty cool. I like when we actually find some trace fossils which actually give us a little bit of information about the dinosaur, like the fact that of what it ate. How cool is that? That's all I have today on Lophostropheus. Be sure to check out my other videos for more dinosaur content. I upload dinosaur videos every Wednesday, and I interlace these videos with my other toy passions, which is vintage Star Wars and Lego and the like. Thank you for watching, and a special thank you to my growing list of subscribers. As always, it doesn't matter what you collect, as long as you enjoy collecting. And if it's really good, straight to the pool room. Until next time, take care.